Alright guys, we're about 40 to 45 miles south of Montgomery. We are near the town of Georgiana. We are going to jump off of Interstate 65 South here in just a few minutes and go over and see if we can't check out the early home of Hank Williams. And this is the Hank Williams Museum here at 127 Rose Street in Georgiana.
Well, two, he meets her on the street. He built a house for a boarding house. He meets her on the street and tells her she can use it till she gets on her feet. She wound up staying in 4 years, so she did pay rent. But the first 4 rooms have still got the original floor showing. And he learned how to play under the house. And had a big wide hallway through the middle back then. And the kitchen wasn't fishing off like it is, the back porch wasn't long enough. And it had running water, had electricity, but an outdoor toilet.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, that was out uptown here. I was telling somebody I didn't have running water till I was 1958. Had a well out there in the country, didn't have no running water. But the well was under the house. And she took in boarders while she was here, and Hank got his guitar between 7 and 8, and he started following a white man around. Street performer. He got afraid of the white boy falling around, was going to get in trouble, so they wound up out of the house and teaching the chords to her. They said they could play just about anything we wanted to.
Yeah?
He took piano lessons, but he didn't like piano, so he couldn't mess with it. He said the old white man taught him everything he knew. He said there was only one ever taught him everything. Started taking food with him. They said he'd sit out there under the shade tree and play and talk to him.
Oh my.
Brandon, a lot of people didn't take him till he short died. But he opened up for Brandon, a lot of people up there in Montgomery, 15 years old. The war couldn't stand it. Hank was very opinionated, very in-your-face type person. Very up front with everything he had in blunt. Sometimes, most of the time, with what he had to say. You didn't know where he was coming from, you hurt your feelings. And they said, you didn't want to know his opinion, but I think don't ask him. He don't tell you what hurt your feelings or not. He used to say, that my grandma was like that. You didn't want to know what the old lady was thinking, you didn't ask him.
That is awesome.
Mr. Braxton, first radio show. That's a pictures right there. Mr. Braxton was 22 when he met Hank. Hank was 14. And he said he was singing with that group off the radio called Hedges Band. He said that was his fun job. He said I was married. He said I had to have a job, so that was my fun job. It didn't pay nothing. So he drove a Hormel truck up there in Montgomery. And he delivered meats to her boarding house one morning. Walked in, saw a guitar laying on the couch there. So he picked it up, started playing and singing. Said Hank come out of another room there. Said Miss Williams looked at him and said, Hermie's got you beat. When he told me that story, he looked at me, he said, I didn't have him beat for very long. He talked him into riding around with him. And one thing led to another, and he got him on that radio show at 14. At 15, Hank became the lead singer that was Chasing Hedges Band. Hank and Hedges Christian Cowboys. And Hank was just a nickname he picked for himself. He nicknamed everybody. And he never legally changed his name from Howard. But she talked the doctor into making his birth certificate out while she was here at 11 years old. And I had his son come through here years ago. This ain't in no book. His name was Dr. Tippins back then, and he said that he remembered coming over here, but said he didn't understand why his daddy was signed that. Said that was strictly against the law because he didn't deliver him. Hank was born at home by a midwife out there in the country. And I told him, I said, well, she was doing favors for him back then. I said, maybe she sweet talked him into it. He said, no, said she was too nasty and too ugly. I said, not that kind of favor. But they said she did do that. I mean, she had a couple of girls that worked for her at one time anyway. She didn't do it herself. Somebody else did. Got paid for it anyway. I told him that he said she was too nasty and too ugly. I said, no. I said she was setting up sick folk for her. Then he remembered about bringing notes over here to her. I said, that's what you was doing. You was bringing her notes over here to set up for somebody that was sick. And, he said, that makes sense, but he said it still didn't make sense, but he said he signed that paper out against the law.
Goodness gracious. Oh, man.
What makes you do the things you do? You're getting full flash. Don't bite on more than you can chew. No. Cause you want to scrap what you can't win. You don't know what you get in. Don't go around leading with your chin. No. Now you got tanks, some fair-sized tanks, but you're acting like a clown. Well, man, we got yanks, the lesser yanks, and you might get caught with your tanks out. Don't go throwing out your chest. About the button off. You're playing with a hornet's nest. No.
Do they still do the concert thing they used to do out back out there?
We have one every year in June. It's always first Saturday in June. I forget who we had last year. I didn't stay for it. I had to go home when I got sick. But you're full of Junior's youngest boy coming and performed out there, Sam. And I talked to him and I asked him, I said, "You ready, Daddy, ever come?" He said, "Nope." His daddy won't come here because of Jet Williams. And Jet Williams has never had DNA done, so that ain't never been settled with Junior.
Right.
Even though she won the lawsuit, she married a lawyer that won the lawsuit for her in 1992. And they had invited him here, we opened up in 93. And he about decided to come, and they turned around and told him she was coming too. He said, "If she comes," he said, "I won't." But a few years ago, he wrote a song about the place. 127 Rose Avenue.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
He went out yonder in 1976 and did a show out there where Hank was born. But I don't blame him.
No.
But I had a guy from Tennessee tell me that was the nastiest lawsuit he'd ever seen in his life.
And this was Hank Williams's house from the age of 7 to 11 here in Georgiana.